Hey guys, Johnny here. In today's video, I will be doing a just a quick checkup on my setup today. Yeah, I'm just sitting in my living room today. Just a quick there we go. Just a quick check up on my setup and showing you one new thing which I'm getting and explaining a couple of new things which I've got coming on the way. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Right guys, we have this. The IKEA 114 piece what's called it, cable management set. So yeah, as you can see, it looks like this when you get it. It's got pretty much all the descriptions of what it's got inside. Like to pause it, like to pause the video and see what's got on there. There we go for my keys, and you can just do there are just a few things you can do with this setup. So yeah, let's get straight into see what we have in this thing, shall we? I've opened it already and had a look in here once already before. But yeah, look, we have these little ones. Sorry about my camera view, but these little ones here. Can't hold them. Oh, shake. There we go. These little sort of cable clips, they've got like nails in them. You've got to nail them into things for really small wires. You've got these ones here, which are pretty similar, but for thicker wires where you've got to nail them through them, and they come through them holes there. Nail them in. You've got these ones here, which are even different as still, which look like sort of this sort of thing, if you can see closely. And yeah, on the back of these ones and the next ones I'm going to show, they've got like a sticky back thing, so you just stick them on things. Got like a whole load of them, other ones. We've got a few of these ones as well, which I'm not 100% sure how these ones work. Don't know if the cables go through that hole there. So you can see that little hole there. I don't know if cables might go through there, and you stick it on the wall like this and the cables go through it, downwards or sideways or whatever. But yeah, they've got like a sticky cable thing, as sticky back thing as well. You peel off. There you've got, oh no, I can't even put it. Let me put that back properly, neat and tidy for you guys to see. We have these, which are cable ties. Obviously, everyone knows flaming cable ties are, don't you? You all know what. Put them back in there, right? You all know what. Oh, come on, I can't put it back properly. What's going on? What's going on with these camera angles, man? Seriously. Guys, be back. It's just my phone going off from things. So yeah, this is the 114 piece cable tidy box thing. We've seen these little ones, we've seen the big ones, we've seen these ones, we've got some other ones which I'm not too sure about. Cable ties, plated cable ties, and my odds on perfect, ultra favourite one in the world of all worlds are Velcro straps. They are my odds down, hands down, odds favourite straps. So yeah, that is pretty much the cable box. For now, pretty much, look, it came from IKEA. I think that wasn't too expensive either. I think if you live in the UK, the box is sort of $3.50 from IKEA. $3.50 for a completely decent sized box of cable management gear. Hey guys, yeah, and also with this cable management set, which I've got right next to me somewhere, if I can even show you the cable management set, which is sort of other way around, which is here. Sorry, I can't even do it properly because I'm not used to vlogging this sort of thing, but yeah, this cable management set, which is right next to me here. With that, I'm also got coming from, what's it called? Coming from Amazon, of all the best places to buy your stuff from. I'm getting an extension lead, and I'm getting a cable box, a white cable box, and I'll put the links down in the description somewhere of all them sort of things. So yeah, if you like to buy all this stuff for yourself, I'll try and get this box as well in the description as well for you guys. I don't quite know if I will be able to, but I'll try and find it again online and put the link in the description. So if you guys who are from the UK want to buy this, but you can also buy it from other countries for whatever price they have in the other countries and that. So yeah, it's pretty much a quick thing. And also, I'm just getting some boxes for under my bed as well, but that's not really relevant to my setup at all. And so yeah. Also, one thing is, I have one of the best sort of books in history. Sorry for that. And just we have this book. If you can all see that properly, yes. The best book in history, the Cybermen book, where I've probably read that a good 4 or 5 times over already. So yeah, if I can get into the light for you guys, there we go. So this has been Johnny. I have been going through a few more things which I'm going to do in my setup. And also in a few months I'll be getting a new camera, tripod and all that. So this dangy, stupid, shitty footage of this mobile won't be able to see this no more, because you'll have 1080p footage and you'll have good quality videos and stuff. So there'll be more coming out. Desk will be coming, and halfway through this year I'll probably have a new monitor coming as well. So sorting out a PC build at some point, but I don't know how they're going to go, because I'm not good at building PCs because I haven't built one before. So yeah, this has been Johnny. I've been Johnny, should I say. And you guys have been awesome. You guys have been watching me and supporting me through this. Well, 124 of all the beautiful subscribers. Peace out and see you guys absolute laters. And bye for now.